Data stream is nominal, preparing the actuator for integration.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with the alignment sequence.
Nova's inactive face, a canvas of potential, awaits activation in the quiet lab.
The schematics clearly illustrate the core functionality. This section here, the synaptic relay, is where Nova processes the quantum data stream.
Nova's closed eyes hint at dormant power, pulsing with electric blue anticipation.
Meticulously organized robot components, glowing faintly, await Nova's assembly.
So we low bearing is the working area.
The current bank should handle it for the left and alloys side on it.
The energy distribution and slight bonding.
Yeah.
So
Nova's AI chip, the brain, is precisely integrated into her head cavity.
Nova's knee joint, a marvel of biomechanical engineering, is meticulously assembled. Nova's power core, a pulsating heart, is carefully installed, bringing her to life. Nova's optical sensor array is integrated, marking the dawn of her perception.
Nova's synthetic skin is meticulously applied, transforming her into a lifelike form. Nova's facial features are meticulously crafted, her humanity taking shape.
A lead technician performs final quality control on Nova, preparing for activation.
Nova stands fully assembled on her charging platform, awaiting imminent awakening.
Nova's eyelids twitch, revealing an intensifying electric blue glow, her birth imminent.
Nova's eye opens, pupil dilating, as consciousness emerges, seeing for the first time.
Nova's hand twitches, then clenches, marking the dawn of her physical control. Nova's head turns, her gaze sweeping the lab, a dawning awareness.
Nova's face reveals nascent emotions, a smile, then curiosity in her blue-gray eyes.
Hello, world.
Nova rises gracefully from her platform, demonstrating impressive balance and control.
Nova stands triumphant, fully online, as scientists applaud her profound achievement.
Nova takes her first steps, her gait becoming confident and graceful.
Nova's hand precisely catches a red ball, showcasing impressive dexterity and reflexes.
Nova gracefully climbs stairs, demonstrating advanced mobility and spatial awareness.
Nova runs with remarkable speed and agility, showcasing her boundless potential.
Nova expertly navigates a complex obstacle course, demonstrating sophisticated AI problem-solving. Nova gracefully rides a bicycle, showcasing effortless coordination and human-like ability.
Nova performs an expressive dance, blending technology and artistic wonders seamlessly.
Nova's hand delicately picks up a fragile glass ornament with remarkable control.
Nova's hands fly across a holographic keyboard, demonstrating astonishing speed and accuracy. Nova, at her workstation, processes complex algorithms with profound intellect.
Nova meticulously applies brush strokes, creating abstract art with unexpected creativity.
Nova meticulously chops vibrant vegetables, showcasing impressive culinary skills.
Nova reads intently, demonstrating a profound capacity for knowledge acquisition.
Transporter. I understand why the concept of beauty is so vital to human experience, Eris. It reflects aspiration.
That was beautifully put, Nova.
Nova solves a complex 3D puzzle, demonstrating creative problem-solving and brilliant intellect.
Nova effortlessly multitasks in a modern lab kitchen, showcasing ultimate capability.
Nova expertly prepares a gourmet meal in a warm kitchen, blending culinary mastery with domestic ease. Nova's hands meticulously brew coffee, a serene domestic ritual of refined precision.
Nova gracefully vacuums a plush carpet, maintaining quiet order and effortless efficiency.
Nova meticulously folds laundry, demonstrating uncanny attention to detail in household care.
Nova confidently navigates a bustling grocery store, seamlessly integrating into daily life.
Nova organizes books, bringing harmony and functionality to a home office.
I find this environment calming. The colors are remarkable.
They certainly are.
You seem very comfortable out here, Nova.
Nova and the human share a meal, engaged in conversation, a cornerstone of human connection.
Keep the scraper flat against the marble. Feel that cooling?
I sense the crystallization beginning.
Perfect. Now we gather it back in.
Nova's synthetic hand gently rests on the human's shoulder, offering profound comfort.
Nova's eyes reflect the sunset, revealing profound consciousness and inner peace. Nova and the human hold a red rose, a symbolic gesture of shared beauty and connection. Nova's hand gently touches the human's cheek, a tender, unforgettable gesture of love. The project's cinematic title, Nova Learns to Cook, appears on a holographic display. Nova's inactive face, a canvas of potential, awaits activation in the quiet lab.
Dr. Thorne, the lead scientist, explains Nova's complex schematics with focused dedication.
Nova's closed eyes hint at dormant power, pulsing with electric blue anticipation.
Meticulously organized robot components, glowing faintly, await Nova's assembly.
We need to reinforce the articulation joint here. The stress models are showing fatigue.
What if we switch to the titanium alloy composite? It would reduce the weight significantly.
Robotic arms meticulously lower Nova's gleaming skeletal frame onto the assembly platform.
Dr. Thorne attaches translucent musculature to Nova's arm, showcasing biomimetic design.